आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question says that electronic configuration of four elements which are A, B, C and D are given below. So these are the electronic configurations. We have to tell which of the following is the correct order of increasing tendency to gain electron. So we know that tendency to gain or lose an electron depends on the stability of atom, and that is decided by the octet. So we just have to see which of them completes an octet on losing an electron or gaining an electron. So if it is attaining stability on gaining an electron, that means it will have a very good tendency to gain electron, and if it is attaining stability on losing electrons, that means it will not have tendency to gain electrons. So let us begin with the first one. The first one is 1s2 2s2 2p6. So it be right. A part is 1s2 2s2 2p6. So over here we can see that the octet is complete, that is 2s the octet is completely complete. Over here we have 2 plus 6, the second orbit has 8 electrons, that means its octet is complete. So octet complete, therefore it wants no electron, or neither it wants to gain an electron nor it wants to lose an electron, therefore it will have very less tendency to gain an electron. Now let's look at the B part. So the B part is, it is 1s2 2s2 2p4. So 1s2 2s2 2p4. So over here if it loses its one electron, the electronic configuration that it will have is 1s2 2s2 2p3. Previously it had 2 plus 4, that is 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. Now it has 5 electrons, that is over here we just have to see for the second shell. So 2 plus 3, that is 5 electrons. So it hasn't attained much stability. We can see that there is no octet being complete, but the p subshell has its half orbital complete and the s has completely filled orbital. So in that case it has stability, but the octet as such is not complete. Therefore it will be much more stable than the A part. So let me write this much, that A will be at lesser than our B. Now for the C1 is, it is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. So let me write 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. So over here we can see that if it gains one electron, the electronic configuration, the outermost electron configuration I'm only writing, it will be basically 3s2. Since here we can see that it is completely stable, after that it will have 3s2. So it gain, if on gaining an electron we can see that the s orbital is completely filled, but there is no as such stability attained due to the completion of octet. Therefore its tendency to gain electron will be high, but not as high as option B, because if it loses its one electron, then it will attain the complete stability of 8 electrons complete. We can see that it will become a noble gas. So therefore it wants to lose its electron more rather than gaining one. So therefore it will lie somewhere after A and before B. So let me add it in the between. So this will be C over here and B over here. Now obviously the last one is left, so obviously it has to be after this it has to be greatest, but let us see it as well. So it is 1s2 2s2 2p5. So let me write D is 1s2 2s2 2p5. So we can see that if it attains or gains one electron, its electronic configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6, which completes its electron, that is 2 plus 6 is 8. For the outermost orbit its octet is complete, that means it's completely stable. Moreover we can see that it has attained the noble gas configuration, therefore it will have the highest tendency to gain the electron, that's why it is at the last. So from here we can see that option A, which is A, C, B, D is the correct answer. So option first is correct. So with this we complete our solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।